gonna try to get it good. I'm going to apply the chamfer foil gels on the top. I did top coat this because I just want to make it kind of a V shape of the nails. I don't want to do it all and tie the nails. So then if you are not doing a top coat, they might accidentally kind of stick it on the parts where I still have a tacky layer. So I'm put the top coat on, or you can put the matte top coat. You can do it shiny top coat, doesn't matter. All right. Cure for 30 seconds. I want to do one at a time. And I'm going to using this box number 102 is the floral. And I'm going to get one of this. That's 10 different beautiful designs. You can definitely is having so much fun with this. Her queens, hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hello, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And it doesn't matter whatever patterns you're gonna using. You can use this spot right here, or you can using is over here. It's really, it doesn't matter what you are going to use. Is going to be pretty though. I want to go that way. Maybe. Let's see. Give it a good press right in the center. It's already come off for me. You see how good the premium IHO chamfer foil. It does all the work for me. This chamfer is like I just press it and not even doing it hard anything at all. It's already completely chamfer. And I am going to using condensed glue gels. We are gonna apply just a smaller amount. You don't want to be using it too thick. It's condensed glue gels. You can tell that I've been using a lot out of that. And I'm gonna do a thin coat. You don't want to be too thin. You also don't want to be too thick. Get a little fur right there. Too thin is not gonna hold your crystal properly. Too thick is going to flutter your crystal. So we're gonna be apply this enough. Pinch my brush, and I am going to apply no wipe top coat floating right on the top. Happy Mondays, everyone. Hope you all have a fabulous Monday. I'm gonna give it a quick. And if you know your friends who is love is crystal placements, nail art is fun and is simple, easy, and absolutely free tutorial, please share with your friends. You can see that on the bottoms right there are the plain emoji. You can able to send that to your friends and to support your friends and help your friends out, so then they can definitely learn it absolutely free from Glitz Accessory and such. Would love to have you tuning in. So I am going to using this so adorable, beautiful drop in the neon collection, and then of course the teardrop and a raindrop. Oh, I'm gonna change the colors of that one. Purple. And if you are first time or it's just start playing with the crystal placement, the best way to do if you are going to place a centerpiece first, which is that you are pick one of the shape that you like, and you want to keep it as the centerpiece. You using that first, and then you can start paying and placing like a different shape or different SS tight and closer along with your design, with your centerpiece. I'm gonna use some beads. And the design is so beautiful already. If you want to finish, to key it, you can definitely just place it in the under LED light, key for 60 seconds, and then you can use a precision glue gels, which is the third step. We did first step was condensed glue gel. Second step we did is no wipe top coat, and the third step we are going to using precision glue gel to double secure all of the edges, all the crystal charms and chains, so then that way it won't catching on the client's hair or their clothes. We have a lot of messages for asking for the designs for this design, because a lot of you will getting their neon kits and glow in the dark kits. So here you go, this and then also all the newest foil is up now, so then you can able to grab one or two and start experimenting it. Get one more right there. It's really nice. If you're happy with this, we are going to key this for 60 seconds.